Hello, welcome folks. Today we are going to do mathematics 2020, actually general certificate. So we are going to do question 2. We are going to do question 2 only. So this question it is on number 20 for the year 2020. So now I'm going to solve question 2 only, and if you are new to this channel, you can subscribe and add a comment, and also you can click on the bell so that you will get notified when I post the video. So we are going to do question 2A and B. So question 1 is simplify y plus 1 over y squared plus minus 1 here. So this one this is minus here. So this one we can, for us to simplify this one, what we are supposed to do is that we have to make this one, this part to be the difference of two squares. Then after we are done with that, then we can cancel out, and the remaining is the answer. So what we are going to do is that y plus c1 over y2 minus 1, then we can add the 2 because we can add the square to 1 because 1 squared is 1. So we are going to add 1 here, so that we do 1 plus 1 over y minus 1, open bracket, we factor it, y plus 1. Have you seen? Like this. Then after you do this, then you cancel, which is the the figures which are common. So we are going to cancel this one and this one. Then we are remaining with 1 over 1 minus y minus 1. So this is the answer actually for this question 2A. So actually the answer for this one, we found it is here. So now let us go to number 2B. So for 2B we are going to say, so 2B, as you can see, it is saying the sum of n terms of geometric progression is given by 10 minus 10 over 2 to the power n. So don't be confused when you come across a question like this. So it is simple. So what we are going to do is that they've already given us the sum for the nth term. They've already given us the sum for the nth term like this. So now, as you can see, one, they are saying find the sum of the first 4 terms of this GP. So what we are going to do is that we are going to get the same nth term, the same nth formula. This one they've already given us. Where there is n, we put a 4, since they've said the sum of the first 4 terms. So this is what we are going to do now. So like this, we are going to do like this: 10 minus 10 over 2 to the power 4, like this. Then after we do this, we know that for this one you have to do 10 minus 10 over 16. Then we can find now the common denominator. So 1 into 16, it is 16. 16 times 10, it is 160. Then 16 into 16, it is 1. 1 times 10, it is minus 10. So here the answer we're having 150. So 150 minus 16. So when I get a calculator here, 150 divided by 16, it is giving me 9. It is giving me 9.375. So 9.375. So this one is the sum of the first four terms. The sum of the first four terms is 9.375. So take note of this number. So after we are done with this, then they are telling us on the second part they are telling us that the first term. So now they are telling us to find the first term, as you can see. So don't be confused when they say the first term. Don't be confused that maybe I find the formula. No, just use the same formula, the formula for the nth term, the formula for the sum of the nth term. So we are going to say the same form. You use the same formula, 10 minus 10 over 2 to the power n. So we are going to say 10 minus 10 over 2. Then where there is n, we put 1 here. Since they've said the sum of the nth, the sum of the first term, I mean. So what we are going to do is 10 minus here, 10 over 2. Then 10 minus, what is 10 into 5? It is giving, what is 2 into 5? 10. It is giving us 5. So this one minus this one, it is giving us what? A 5, like this. Have you seen? So this one, we can say this is the first term. This is the first term. Have you seen what I'm doing? This is our first term. So now let us go to the last question. They are telling us that find the first four terms. So now when they say find the first four terms, don't be confused. No. They are telling you that this one, as you can see, this part, you are finding in total all the numbers, start adding from the first term to the fourth term. When you added everything, it gave us what is 9.375. So now they are telling us at the start from 1 to what is, to where, to 4. So what we are going to do is that for 1 we've already found it. So now we are remaining with 3, 2, 4. We have 4 and 4, yes, and 4. So what we are going to do is that we are going to start with the second term. So the same formula. So we're going to do 10 minus 10 over 2 to the power n. 10 minus 10 over 2. So 10 minus 10 over 4. Then you can find the common denominator here, 4. 1 into 4, it is 4. 4 times this one, it is 40. Minus 4 into 4, 1. 1 times 10, 10. So this one you're having 30 over 4. So when you get a calculator like this, what is 30 divided by 4? So I'm getting 7.5. So this 7.5, don't be confused. This 7.5 is the sum for the first term, and there was this and the second term. So what we are going to do to find the second term is that therefore T2 is equal to 7.5. Then we subtract the first term. So the first term, as you can see, the first term, it is this one. So minus the first term, which is 5. So we are going to do minus 5. So T2 is equal to 7.5 minus what? Minus 5. So I'm getting 2.5. So this is our second term, as you can see. Have you seen what I'm doing? So now we go to the second, since they've said the first 4 terms. So what we are going to do again, we find the third term. So we are going to do the same formula. We use the same formula, 10 minus 10 over 2, and then 10 minus 10 over 2, as you can see, 2. So 2 here, we put the 3 here, as you can see, 10 minus 10 over 2 times 2 times 2, it is 8. So we know that 2 can go here. It is going, let us just do, we find the, now let us go just, the common denominator here is going to be 80. When it is 80 here, then 1 into 80, it is now, this is the 1 into 8, it is 8 times 10, 80 minus 8 into 8, 1 times 10, 10. So you're having 70 over 8. So when I do on my calculator, like 70 divided by, what this, divided by 8, it is giving me 8.7. So remember, take note of these numbers. So what we are going to do here, this is the sum for the number we found is the sum for the first 3 terms. So now we know that this number, there is the first term and the second term and the third term, and that's when we are going to have this number. So for us to find T3 alone, or the third term, we are going to say T3 minus what? This one minus, so 8.75 minus 7.5. So T3 is equal to T3 is equal to 8.75 minus 7.5. So we are going to subtract minus 7.5. So it is giving us at what? 1.25. So the third term is what? 1.25. Have you seen? Have you seen? So now let us go for the fourth term. So for the fourth term, we've already found it. It is what is 9.375. So this is the sum for the first 4 terms. So for us to find the fourth term, we are going to do T4 is equal to 9.375 minus this 80.75, because in here it is where there is the first term, second term, and the third term. So we are going to say T4 is equal to 9.375 minus 8.75. Have you seen? So we are getting what? We are getting what this? A 0.625. So this was the fourth term, as you can see. So our fourth term was the 0.625. So since this question, they said we find the first 4 terms. So we find that the first term is 5, the second term is 7. The second term is 2.5. Then our third term is 1.25. Then our T4, our fourth term is 0.625. So for us to prove that what we found is correct, since here they said that find the sum of the first 4 terms of this GP, and we know that sum means addition. So which means they added the first term, the second term, and the fourth term. That's when they got this nankan. This, as you can see, this formula, you can say a formula like this: the sum of the nth term. Have you seen? So here, like at the first question, they said the sum of the first 4 terms. So the sum was what? The sum was this one, as you can see, 9.375. When you add T1, T2, T3, T4, it was giving this one. So we are going to prove if it will give this one. When we do 5 plus this one plus this one plus this one, if it gives us this one, then we are going to say it is correct. So we are going to do like this. 5 plus 5 plus what? 5 plus 2.5 plus 1.25 plus 0.625. Have you seen? So when it gives us this one, then we are going to say this one is correct. So let us try on the calculator like this. So we are going to say 5 plus 2.5 plus 1 plus 1.25 plus then is 0.625. Have you seen? It has given us what? What is 9.375. So you know that what we found is actually correct. Have you seen? So this is what you are supposed to do. So new members, I can say new members or new subscribers, I welcome you very much. If you want to call me, if you want WhatsApp tuitions, you can call using this line 0970 59 28 71. This is my Airtel number. My MTN, you can use this one 0969 554 31. This is my MTN line, and this is my Airtel. So I welcome you very much, and you should subscribe and like the video, and you should support me since that's when I'm starting, and as you can see things are happening. So see you, and I appreciate you very much, and get ready for the more videos that I'm going to post. Please subscribe. Bye bye.